Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So in this video you're gonna spend a weekend with us, and it's like 90,000 degrees outside. So we went to the park, we went to Domino's, we got a Whole Foods delivery, which was awesome. We went to the park, you'll see it in the video. We went to Home Depot because your girl is a DIY queen. So I'm renovating my kitchen in my new house. Obviously, y'all already know my OCD is going crazy. So instead of the colors that I have, because it's a community, everyone has the same house, I am not gonna stand for that because everyone is not the same. So I'm changing it. So y'all gonna see the before and after, but I'm already gonna show you in the shorts. And I made some shrimp Alfredo from scratch. Y'all gonna see that's at the beginning. So if y'all love to cook like I do, leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you love to cook. All right, guys, let go. Y'all trying to take me out. We had to stop at Domino's, and we were just in time because they were making pizza right in front of us, and she had the time of her life. So what's the favorite pizza that y'all get? So I get the cinnamon sticks, and I get pineapple and chicken, or just pineapple. But look at it, and she had the time of her life. She was like, oh, I'm watching them make pizza. I'm like, oh, I'm so happy that she gets to. Okay, thank you. Huh? Maya. I know, you're looking at her make pizza? Oh, that's cool. I know. Wow. That's nice. It's hard to comb. Wow.
You're only one back.
We got our delivery, guys. Let's start Whole Foods. What did we get? We got yellow watermelon. Hold the bag. Pull the bag down. Got our delivery, guys. Yes, Whole Foods. We got watermelon. And we got the yellow watermelon. Get it, your melon. Gonna try it. See if it says it. Okay. Next bag, we got bananas, and we got these. These are so good. See, 10 bananas, and we're gonna make some DIY Play-Doh. So y'all get ready. You got cream of tartar,
And what about me?
and we got for my juice, strawberry, frozen strawberries, organic. And as you hear, she's asking for her ice cream. I love these bags. Oh my goodness. So cute. We got Mickey Mouse, and we got, here you go. Yay! I got those. We got cantaloupe.
These are me now.
We got her little cuties for cutie. Cauliflower, and we got some mangoes. A couple of mangoes. Now we have artichoke, zucchini, more artichoke. And I had to try this spicy salmon avocado roll. Oh my god, it looks so good. And we got some strawberries. Yes, you know we need strawberries. And 4 cases of water. All right. You having fun? You like your order? Hey, dun da dun 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 da dun dun ding ga ding 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 ding. Some steel pan going on. Yes. We got some raspberries, some spicy salmon avocado rolls. Oh my goodness, love these. Strawberries, artichokes, some blackberries. You gotta have your antioxidants, guys, and zucchini. And that's a wrap. Yeah, go Whole Foods. This avocado roll. I'm gonna put some of this on it. I'm doing my nails.
Ew.
Yes, that's all right. It's for mommy. Mommy likes it. Okay, so like I said, this what I got. This the yellow one, this the regular one. Cantaloupe, her mini cuties, and this bag has 10 bananas, and I opened this already. This is from Whole Foods, if y'all wanna know. I had Whole Food delivery. These are Clean-O-Matic, and they are Ziploc bags, compostable zip gallon bags. And they look like, not the regular Ziploc bags, but they look like this. And you can put it in your compost if you recycle and all that. See? Put all this stuff in it, make compost. Okay. Then, I have some flour, some organic sprouted flour. I have some Muddy Bites. These are so good. They sell these at Royal Farms also, if you down south. I'm gonna make some Play-Doh, homemade do-it-yourself Play-Doh. So you need this cream of tartar and some mangoes. I have 3. 1, 2, 3. And some cauliflower, organic. Then I got 4 cases of these. The end of the case. 2 more cases. All right. What is it? Zucchini, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, organic. And look at these huge artichokes. What is going on? This is huge. Look at my hand. It's crazy. 2 of those. 2 of those. And I put this other stuff in the freezer. But more cauliflower. I took out the stuff out the bags already. This, y'all know what this is? Let me know if you know in the comment section what this is. Don't it look like dill? Fresh dill, of course. And more artichoke.
Here.
Yep. The ice cream that I got is these.
There's popsicles.
Pass me the box over there for the ice cream y'all just ate. Thank you. And this.
That was all of them?
Okay. No, I just put it in there. And I got these frozen strawberries. It looks like this. Ooh, okay. Girls. Hi, ladies. Y'all having fun?
Yes.
Yay. Hey, girl. Just chilling. Ooh, weekend vibes. Thanks for watching, guys. Whoa. See y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.